Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the OnePlus Nord 5 and the Samsung Galaxy A56. Today, we're diving into their standout features, from camera prowess and display quality to raw performance and battery life. Which phone offers the best main camera for stunning shots? How do their displays compare in size and resolution? What about the powerhouse chipsets under the hood? Snapdragon versus Exynos? And can their batteries keep you going all day? Plus, who delivers better value for your money? Stick around because by the end, we'll ask the burning question: is the pricier OnePlus Nord 5 really worth the extra cash over the Galaxy A56? Let's get into it. Both the OnePlus Nord 5 and Galaxy A56 sport a 50-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization. But the Galaxy A56 adds a 12-megapixel ultrawide and a 5-megapixel macro lens, offering more versatility for different shooting scenarios. This makes the Galaxy A56's camera setup more adaptable for creative photography. The OnePlus Nord 5 edges out slightly with a larger 6.83-inch screen compared to the Galaxy A56's 6.7 inches, giving you a bit more real estate for immersive viewing and gaming. Performance benchmarks reveal a clear winner. The OnePlus Nord 5 scores a massive 1,512,943 on Antutu, versus the Galaxy A56's 908,689. Meaning smoother multitasking and better gaming capabilities. The OnePlus Nord 5 is powered by a cutting-edge octa-core CPU featuring a 3.0 GHz Cortex-X4 core, delivering superior speed compared to the Galaxy A56's 2.9 GHz Cortex-A720, translating into faster app launches and responsiveness. With a sharper 1272 by 2800 pixel resolution and nearly 450 ppi density, the OnePlus Nord 5 offers crisper and more detailed visuals than the Galaxy A56's 1080 by 2340 pixels at less than 385 ppi. Under the hood, the OnePlus Nord 5 runs on the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. A more powerful and efficient 4nm chipset compared to the Galaxy A56's Exynos 1580, giving it an edge in speed and energy management. The OnePlus Nord 5 packs a larger 5200 mAh battery versus the Galaxy A56's 5000 mAh, promising slightly longer usage between charges, crucial for heavy users. The OnePlus Nord 5 features a swift AMOLED display with a blazing 144Hz refresh rate, outperforming the Galaxy A56's Super AMOLED 120Hz screen, resulting in smoother scrolling and gaming visuals. For selfies, the OnePlus Nord 5 boasts a whopping 50-megapixel front camera, far surpassing the Galaxy A56's 12-megapixel, ensuring sharper and more detailed self-portraits. In terms of durability, the Galaxy A56 offers better water resistance with an IP67 rating, compared to the Nord 5's IP65, meaning it can survive deeper water immersion. The OnePlus Nord 5 leads with options up to 512 GB storage and 12 GB RAM, giving power users more breathing room for apps and files than the Galaxy A56's max 256 GB. Video capabilities favor the OnePlus Nord 5, with 4K recording at both 30 and 60 FPS, while the Galaxy A56 caps at 4K 30 FPS, making the Nord 5 better for smoother high-res video capture. Price-wise, the Galaxy A56 is significantly more affordable at $450, compared to the OnePlus Nord 5's $650, offering solid features without breaking the bank.